37 नॅशनल गेम्साच्या खाशेल्या कारवळीत तुमकां येवकार. आमी तुमच्या मुखार एक्सटेन्सीव कवरेज घेवन येता. इंटरव्यूज, अपडेट्स, रिव्यूज, स्टॅट्स आमी व्हिवर्सां मुखार हाडटा गोमंतक टीव्ही ह्या खाशेल्या कारवळीत. आयज आमच्या बरोबर आसात गोंयचे गोल्डन गर्ल करिना शिरोडकर. करिना, वेलकम टू आवर शो. करिना, आयज तुवें गोंया खातीर एक सेकंड मेडल हाडला आनी एज अ गर्ल, एज अ वुमन तुवें फर्स्ट मेडल हाडला. हाव यू फील अचिव्हिंग दीस वंडरफूल फीट?
It's a very proud moment for me that I have won a medal for the state, and it just makes me happy and proud of myself that I did it.
Okay. So, Karina, how was your journey difficult to achieve this goal? कितके त्रास कडले आणि स्ट्रगल कितके घातले तुवें?
It was 1 month of full rigorous, 1.5 month actually, of full rigorous training. Every day we had training. It was a residential camp, so we were all there, and it was day and night just training. So it was a very difficult task. Plus we had to fall into our categories, so there was diet and strengthening and all of that.
Do you feel any pressure while playing this game, coming to this, achieving this feat called gold?
Before every game there is nervousness, but once you touch the ring and once you're in it, you have to give it your best.
So the journey was challenging, the national games journey.
It was challenging because this is the first time I'm playing this sport, and the first time it is in national games, so there was a lot of pressure on.
So which competitor was hard for you, from which state was challenging?
I think challenging as such, my finals was challenging, but I gave in. Like, I saw her quarterfinals, her semi-finals, how she played, and then I worked on. So guided me. He told me what to do, what not to do, and yes, that's.
I think this Penchak Silat is a new form of martial arts. Many people don't know it. So in this Penchak Silat, which is unknown to many, कोणाक खबर ना तितून तुवें गोल्ड हाडला. तो आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांक सांगूंक शकता पेंचॅक सिलाट म्हणटा तो कितें प्रकार ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट?
It is an Indonesian martial art. It has a lot of technique and grabbing and throwing, how to resist a person. It is you can use it in daily life also. Like if you ever get into a trouble, it is a good form of martial art, and I urge every youngster to join Pencak Silat. It is a very good platform. It gives a lot of base.
How you were introduced to this Penchak Silat martial art in first place?
I was actually a taekwondo player based in taekwondo, but then my coach, he got me to this and he told me that play this. His name is Siraj Khan. He's taekwondo coach. He got me. He's like, it is a good platform. You should try it. You have the capacity. And then Anthony sir guided me throughout.
Since you joined till now, discipline, Penchak Silat, how many years were you trained till now since you joined?
It is just 1.5 months I've trained for this.
So in 1.5 you achieved this big feat. Yeah, that's a wonderful and proud moment for everyone who go on for us. So have you achieved any feat or medals or some international recognition in the state or national level in this feat?
Not in Pencak Silat. This is my first time, first medal.
First time, first medal, that too gold. Yeah, so in taekwondo you have.
Yes, in taekwondo I have. Not not like national games or anything, but you're open nationals, yes.
So you are a first woman to win a first gold for a Goa in Penchak Silat. So many people don't attract toward this kind of martial arts. So how would you advise or encourage others to join this?
I will give all my credit to my mother, to be honest, because she was the one who always forced me to join martial arts, and she wanted me to be a strong girl. So I think I give her the credit, and here I am. And I urge the youngsters to join Penchak Silat. It is a very good platform. Martial arts should be with you. That is all I would.
तर आमच्या बरोबर आसात पेंचॅक सिलाट गोवा ह्या डिसिप्लिनाचे हेड कोच एंथनी ब्रागांजा. एंथनी बाब, दिस इज द फर्स्ट मेडल इन पेंचॅक सिलाट, फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल. आणि 16 मेडल्स आमकां मेळ्ळ्यात. ही जर्नी कितकी चॅलेंजींग आसली, की मेडलाचो पावस हाडपाक?
Yeah, the journey was very challenging because students were training very hard from like morning, afternoon, then evening also. And they were a little bit nervous because a lot of things were not in place. We had like a small area for training and all. But it was very good. They worked very hard. And like first, like because what happened, there are throws. She was doing the standing fights. And here we have this catching, then throwing, and a lot of other skills. So I encouraged her that she can do it.
So how many categories are there in the Penchak Silat discipline?
There are 38 categories. Yeah, 38 categories altogether.
So can you elaborate few categories?
Yeah, it's like in here in Panchaklat we have Tending, then Regu, Ganda, Solo, and Tungal. And we have this all from 40 to 45. This category means 11 categories for girls and 13 for boys. And we have this Ganda, then Tungal, Solo, means artistic forms.
So we are all aware of Taekwondo, Judo, Karate of this martial arts. How different the Penchak Silat is compared to this rest of the well-known martial arts?
Penchak Slad is very different from other martial arts because it has all the aspects of fighting, especially for self-defense. It has weapons, then ground, then all the moves which are in the wrestling also. So you can see the game like it's very different and it's very interesting. Okay.
So now our current gold medal winner was first a Taekwondo player. How you managed to transform her into Penchak Silat player and winning the gold for the first time?
Yeah, she was very good in like stand-up fighting. So I just trained her in like throws and like scissors and all. So she got. Yeah.
So you do get any government support, basically any backing from government to promote this sports and all?
Yes, yes. Government provided us for residential camps and all for the equipments and everything. So it was very nice.
So many of the young people, like women also, girls also, uh, go for opt for taekwondo or karate. Do you have any specific plans or some ideas to attract them to this Penchak Silat martial art?
Yeah, Penchak Start is going in Goa from 2017, and we have Federation Cup also in January. It's now getting popular because students are getting more medals and all. So I think more and more uh, these youngsters should join and learn this martial art.
तर आमच्या बरोबर आसात आता करिनाची मम्मी सिबत शिरोडकर. शी इज बीन गायडींग फोर्स. आम्ही म्हणटा आवय आमची फर्स्ट कोच. तर तेंचे एज अ फर्स्ट कोच आम्ही जाणून घेवया. तुमी अशें केन्ना दिसलें तुमकां तुमच्या चेडवाक मार्शल आर्ट्सान धाडपा खातीर?
चली म्हणजे सगळे चलयांनी मार्शल आर्ट्स करचेच बिकॉज आतां त्या तेंपार मार्शल आर्ट्स सेल्फ डिफेन्स इज व्हेरी निडड. सो आय वॉन्टेड करिना टू डू सम सेल्फ डिफेन्स टू प्रोटेक्ट हर सेल्फ. आय वॉन्टेड हर टू स्टँड ऑन अ ओन फीट, बी अ स्ट्रॉंग वुमन इन लायफ. सो दॅट्स त्या खातीर हांवें ताका सदांच पुश केल्लें.
स्टार्टींग जर्नी कशी आसली करिनाची जेन्ना तुमी तांकां इंट्रोड्यूस केल्यात ह्या मार्शल आर्ट्साक?
न करिना कडेन म्हाका केन्ना त्रास जावना. शी वॉज ऑलवेज इगर. शी वूड गो. यूज टू आमी मडगांव वयताली आनी इनिशियली इट वॉज स्टार्टेड इन दिल्ली. आमी एक वर्साक दिल्ली आशिल्ली. सो तेन्ना ताका सुरवात केल्ली रायन इंटरनॅशनल स्कुलान. सो थंयसान ताका ते आवड आयली आनी हांगा येतकच सिराज खान ताणें ताका कोच केल्लें.
आणि जेन्ना फॅसिलिटीज म्हणटा ह्या टायप्सा खेळाक पेंचॅक सिलेट फॅसिलिटीज तुमकां चेडवाक घेवन भोंवपाक सोदपाक दिवपाक कितें त्रास जालो?
ना, कसलो त्रास ना बिकॉज सर एंटनी आशिल्लो आनी सिराज खान सरय आशिल्लो. सो ताणें ताका बरो हें केल्लो, केअर घेतलेलो.
आतां आवय म्हणटा ती लायफाची दुसरी कोच. तुमी कशें कितें डिफिकल्ट मॅनेज आसली तेजो स्ट्रिक्ट दाखोवन तुमकां डायट हे प्लॅन ट्रेनींग बिनींग तुमचो कितें वांटो आसलो?
करिना सामकें ताका जेवणाची खूब खूब आवड. ताका जेवण म्हणजे जायनाशिल्लें जायना. एन्ड शी वॉज व्हेरी गूड फूड. सो वेन आतां ते ट्रेनिंगाक गेल्ले तेन्ना ताका सकाळचे ते एक चपाती खाताले फक्त लंचाक, सॅलड आनी इतली भाजी जालें. आनी रातचें सूप बिकॉज ताजो वेट चड आशिल्लो ताणें देवंक जाय आसलो. तर त्या खातीर एन्ड शी डीड इट. सो एन्ड शी मेड मी व्हेरी व्हेरी प्राऊड.
तुमच्या चेडवान आतां मेडल हाडला. तुमच्या चेडवा कडेन अपेक्षा आसतलीच खूब. तुमच्या कडेन चेडवा कडेन अपेक्षा आसा बाकीची कोण तरी इमर्जींग आसात भुरगीं जे ह्या खेळान नांव करूंक सोदतात. तुमकां दिसता बाकीच्यांनी येवचें तुमच्या चेडवाचें पावला धरून?
हय, कित्याक चली भुरग्यांनी येवचेच. कित्याक सेल्फ डिफेन्सा खातीर नॉट फॉर अ मेडल बट बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फ डिफेन्स. इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड आय थिंक एवरी गर्ल शूड joined some sort of martial art.
तर आमच्या बरोबर आसात दोतोर शेखर सालकर, ऑल गोवा पेंचॅक सिलाट फेडरेशनाचे प्रेसिडंट. दोतोर, गोंया खातीर एका बायलेन फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल हाडला ह्या डिसिप्लिनान पेंचॅक सिलाट. हाऊ डू यू फील एज अ प्रेसिडंट?
आय एम एक्स्ट्रीमली थ्रिल्ड बाय दीस. सी कित्याक हा गोल्ड इज गोल्ड फायनली, कळ्ळें न्ही. आमचे कडेन आमची सिल्वर आशिल्ली, 14 आमी ब्रॉन्झ घेतली, पण वेन इट गेट्स गोल्ड ह्या सगळ्यांक खूब व्हॅल्यू आयलो. आनी देन एवरीबडी लुक्स एट यू. आमकां हो प्रमोट करूंक जाय जर आमकां खेळ, जाल्यार अजून पयलीं आमी स्कूल आनी हातून अशें म्हणजे एक व्हेरी लो लेवलचेर केला. पूण आतां प्रायज मेळटकर इवन पेरंट्स वील फील दॅट हांकां भुरग्यांक धाडल्यार तांकां फायदो आसा, दे कॅन कम अप इन अ बिग वे. आनी नॅशनल लेवलचेर प्रायज मेळप इज दीस. तातूंत चलयेक प्रायज मेळप हातूंत तर आमकां खूबच आनंद जाला. कित्याक चले आमचे आसात सगळे स्पोर्ट्सान, पण चलयो फुडें येवपाक मातशें फाटीं फुडें सरता. पण आय एम रियली प्रावड ऑफ करण शिरोडकार बाय आमचे, हू हॅज कम आउट. बट द रियल क्रेडीट हॅज टू गो टू एन्थनी, आमचो सेक्रेटरी कम कोच आहा न्ही. हे सगळे त्रास सगळे ताणेंच काडले. आमी फक्त फाटसून एक तेको दिवपाक ताका आशिल्ले. पण इट इज ग्रेट अचिवमेंट बॅट दॅट. आनी ह्या खेळान स्पेशली बायलांक इट इज नॉट ओन्ली द स्पोर्ट, बट इट इज सेल्फ डिफेन्स ऑल्सो. की तांणी अशें हें जर शिकलो स्पोर्ट्स जाल्यार कोणी फाल्यां गुंड आयलो तांचे कडेन झगडी केली जाल्यार तेणी ताका पालते घालूंक शकता. So she can prevent herself from any injury. At the same time, she can earn reputation of a sportsman also. So I am very happy and I am real thankful to the governor, the government chief minister Sri प्रमोद भाई, बिकॉज ताणें आमकां तेन्ना आमी नॅशनल लेवल चॅम्पियनशीप केली तेन्ना आमी सांगलें की ह्या हातून नॅशनल लेवल आमचे घाला म्हणून. बिकॉज फर्स्ट टायम दीस स्पोर्ट इज कम इन द नॅशनल गेम्स एंड फर्स्ट टायम आमी इतके व्हेरी मिनिमल आमी म्हाका दिसता चड टायमूय मेळूना एन्थनीक to coach everybody, but I am thankful to all the winners and even those losers जाल्यार आमचे कोण they don't have to worry, they will come up for the next year.
आता गोल्डाचे सोडून घाल 16 मेडलाचो पावस पडला आणि चालूच आसा. हे मेडलांचो आता पावस पडटकूच हाऊ डू यू थिंक हाऊ पेंचॅक सिलाट मार्शल आर्ट स्टँड आउट फ्रॉम अदर रेस्ट डिसिप्लिन्स?
We are the best now. I cannot believe that anybody else will cross this 16 आमची मेडल जी मेळ्ळ्या ती. So it was important for us to showcase to the government also की आमकां जर तुम्ही हेल्प करत, some financial support दिवप ह्या असोसिएशनाक, जाल्यार we can bring more glory to the state as such.
आता गव्हर्मेंट कितको हे आसलो सपोर्टी आसलो फेडरेशनाक फॅसिलिटीज आणि बाकीचे फंडींग फायनान्शियल हेल्प दिवपाक?
Government has given now only when the national games were started. Otherwise ताजे पयलीं भुरगे आपले पयशे घालताले, आमचे सगळे आमी जमा करून थोडे पयशे घालताले. पेरंट्स इज टू पे फॉर द स्टुडंट्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो नाव फॉर दीस जेन्ना सुरू जालें कोचिंग आमचे तेन्ना ताणें दे गेव अस सम ग्रांट्स फॉर जेवण आनी तांकां रावपाचें आनी हें करून कपडे बिपडे हाडले. सो दे हॅव गिवन अस फॉर दीस ओन्ली. पण अदरवायज आमकां रेगुलर एसएजी कडसून ग्रांट मेळपाक आमची खूब आशा आसा. And I feel that we should be considered as on par with any other association and they should finance us so that we can give more and more medals to the state.
आता चडशे भुरगे म्हणटा ते टायकांडो, कराटे, जुडोक वयता. तांकां पेंचॅक सिलेटा कडेन कशें एट्रॅक्ट करप तेजे कितें तुमी एक आयडिया केला, एक फ्युचर प्लॅन रेडी केला फेडरेशन?
Actually ही प्रायजां will give them because they feel that अरे इतके आमी खेळटात बाकीच्या स्पोर्ट्सांनी पण इतकी प्रायजां आमकां मेळूंक शकना, हातून आमी गेले जाल्यार आमकां प्रायजां मेळूंक शकतली. सो इफ दे कम टू अस आनी आमचो कोच आसा आमचो एन्थनी कॅन ट्रेन देम वेल आनी ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम वी कॅन गेट मोर अँड मोर प्रायजीस. सो सी प्रायजां मेळप is not only आमकां एक प्रायड but it will give other sports people also that बाबा this sport is to be recognized very well all over India.
थँक्यू दोतोर ह्याच्याबद्दल या खेळाबद्दल विस्तारान सांगल्या बरोबर. तर ही असली चर्चा आमचे गोयचे गोल्डन गर्ल करिना शिरोडकरा बरोबर आणि तसेच फेडरेशनाचे कोच आणि प्रेसिडंट हेजे सारखे स्पोर्ट्स अपडेट, नॅशनल गेमाचे स्टॅट्स, रिव्ह्यूज, अपडेट्स आणि सगळे कितें म्हणा इंटरव्यूज म्हणत आमी तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येतले. गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान कॅमेरामॅन हर्ष नलेकरा सयत रिपोर्टर समीप नार्वेकार.